Okay. Now you can start recording. This is subquery. Just think of what could be the how it works. Subquery. Think of how it works. Print screen. I can do print screen here. Think once I copied in the chat window how it works. Think of how it may works. What query to execute? This query or this query first? Hmm? This query will execute, right? Internal query. What it will do? It will bring the data from VBAP where material where VBLN equal to this number. Okay, suppose you get 10 material numbers. Okay, the 10 materials you are comparing here. This auto select statement. If you want, you can write this one quickly. Go to here. Select VBLN. Yeah. Right. So it's good here. If SYF suppose equal to 0, write number of records. SYF and DBCNT. And if check syntax, right, activate. Let's see if I put the breakpoint here. Execute. Right. The number of records is 9 records. So you can check it into IT underscore ABAP. Right, 8 records. So this is the material number available. How can cross check this one is correct?
Database tables.
We have to cross check in the table, right? So this VBLN must be there, right? Let's see. Go to here. S11. Sorry. VBAP table. Display. VBLN. One one four nine. Right. 1149. So how many records has come? Right. For this material number. For this material number, how many records are there here? Take this material number. Third one. Trace document item. This material number. Take this material number. Back. Back. Now give this material number. 9 records. This 9 records has come. Getting point here concept. First select query, this will execute. This one, subquery. This will bring the material number, okay, from VBAP table where VBLN means sales document number. VBLN is equal to 0002 32. For that, it is coming one material number. So, where you are giving where matter in that material number is equal to nothing but equal to here. In this case, it considers as equal to. So with that equal to, you have the 9 records. Hence, you are getting 9 records. Any questions here? Or, hmm? Right? Based on the business requirement, we'll choose this one subqueries. Otherwise, not a very frequently we use the subqueries. Okay. Next, ranges. Think of what could be the ranges purpose. Think for 2 minutes. Search some Google something. Do it because you know select options and all. Try for 2 minutes. What exactly the ranges concept? First, try to get some concept from ChatGPT or Google. Right. This is one of the good concept in SAP. Ranges.
For multiple.
For the purpose, just try to purpose only. Syntax anyway you will not be knowing. Try to understand concept from the ChatGPT, what the use of it.
The multiple selection.
Filter.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Rahul, how is this?
As the multiple selection.
Maybe I'm not able to hear clearly the voice.
Voice is breaking.
Hello.
Only my voice breaking, huh?
No,
Hello.
your voice, Rahul.
Rahul, your
Hello.
voice is breaking. Yes, go ahead, Rahul now.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible now.
To pass the multiple selection condition.
Correct. How it is different to select options?
You can filter also, sir.
Same, no, we can do select options also. But what is the difference between the ranges concept and the select options concept? Select options, if you remember, right? So it gives the range of inputs. It will take the range of inputs from us, from the user. Types, executable, save it. Right here. You can say functionality, maybe then you can tell that. Okay. Now, r underscore matter hyphen low equal to 10. Okay. R underscore matter hyphen I equal to say 100. Select star from Mara into table id underscore Mara, where matter in S underscore admitted. If S is over C equal to 0, the statement number of records found. Number of records found is right. You have to uncomment this IT underscore mar. Check syntax. R underscore matter underscore work area. R underscore matter underscore work area. R underscore matter underscore work area. Hyphen option equal to BT. R underscore matter hyphen sign equal to inclusive. Append R underscore matter underscore work area to R underscore matter. Right, R underscore matter underscore work area. R underscore matter here. Okay. Now select, just observe this line number 22. You can think of maybe if you not forget, understood 17 to 21 also, but think of line number 23. What is this type of select statement we read in general? This type of select statement. So when we write generally, what is it will do exactly?
Fetching data.
It will fetch the range, right? For a given range, right? In R underscore matter. In this case, what it should bring? This select statement to what it should bring in this case? Range, right? It's a range condition. No? So what exactly it may expect that this select statement will do from the database? How many materials we are expecting? Material number 10, 100 only, or between 10 and 100?
Between 10 to
Between 10 to 100, right? Let's check it how it works. Put the breakpoint here. Wait. Execute. 4 has come. 4. Why? Between 10 to 100, I'll be having some materials, right? Check it. I'll check it in database table. Go to S11. Mora table. 10 to 100. This one 10 to 100. Click on number of entries. 91 records are there. Why 91 records are not coming? Why 91 records are not coming? There is very good concept. Think of 1 minute, no problem. Question clear, right? S by sub 4 means nothing has come. AT underscore more is 0. Why it is 0? Because in that range between 10 to 100, there are 91 records are there in the database table. Why that is not coming? Think of. Question clear, right? Why it is not coming? The range what I have given. It is coming M to 0 records.
No records also.
Records are there in the table between 10 to 100, right? If you go to here table, Mara table, material number 10 to 100. 91 records are there. That 91 records should come right here. Why it is not coming 10 to 100?
So
This is what the condition, right? Yes, yes. What the condition?
Not character field, right? So we given 10 only, 10 only, but it's
Hmm.
18 character. But
Correct. Your answer is correct.
we should give
But
0 before.
correct.
what
So
is
it's
line
not a
number,
because. Yes, sir. No, good.
line number 20?
This
Sign
one is inclusive. Between 10 to 100 means include 10 and 100 as well.
Okay.
Range. What is forming is it is forming a range condition here. You're asking that to bring the data from Mara table, put into the internal table between material number 10 to 100. It is between. I use inclusive this 10 and 100 as well. Correct. What Ganesh is correct. So leading zeros we are missing. How to add that zeros? Here, right? How many zeros are there? Tell me. Count. I'm unable to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I think
7,
18.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 18, right? I mean,
Yes.
characters. What is the data size of the material number? Size of the characters. 18 or 40? 18 is in ECC, not in HANA. HANA is 40 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right now, let's see how it works. Put the breakpoint here. Execute. Check the condition how it is formed. It is formed like this. between 10 to 100 BT, I for inclusive this number and this number as well. Just of 3. See now SY sub RC become 0. How many records has come? 91 records. Same thing what you see in the database. This is the concept.
In select statement, we didn't mention between, sir. How it comes.
This will take. This in condition is there, right? This will take care. Here. Same as select options. If you remember, some time back we have done select options. Same thing we can achieve. Select statement also. Now I'll write select options. You can understand the difference. No? You can tell me. Now what I do is I will write select options. Select options. S underscore matter for how do you give this select option statement? You can give for statement or table names, or you can declare one more variable here. V underscore matter for type matter. You can give data object also here for V underscore matter here. Oh, I have defined here. That is the reason. Okay. I don't define this one now here. What is the line number 18 will do? What exactly will do 18 with this statement?
Input range.
It gives the input scale with the ranges option. Right? Now, same functionality you can achieve here. Select star from Mara into table IT underscore Mara where MATNR in. Now I'll give S underscore MATNR. Okay, na? So not to make confusion, I'll create one more internal table IT underscore Mara 1. IT underscore Mara 1 type table of Mara. Save it. Okay. Now I'll write one more select statement. Okay. If SY sub RC equal to 0, by statement. Same this one. Check syntax. Activate. Right now, I'll put the breakpoint here. Exit. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. I'll give between 10 to 100. 10 to 100. Click on execute. This one we have seen already. It brings 91 records. Right here. You can see here. 91. This is select statement. Next one, how it will bring. This SYDB is 91 only. You can see here. IT underscore Mara 1. 91 records. Now tell me what is the difference. What is the difference of select options on the ranges? I mean, what scenarios we can go for the ranges? This is an entry question.
Select option is more dynamic.
No, same way we can build here as well. Whatever the select options you are building, same thing you can build also the ranges, both same. Think what is the advantage I'm saying is what is the either advantage you can say or what is the scenarios that we can prefer to go for the ranges instead of the select options. That is the best question. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Hmm? See the scenario that we can go for this ranges instead of select options. Think right? Search in Google. Search ChatGPT or Google. Search on ChatGPT. Anything answer you're getting? Search ChatGPT or Google also you can try. Anything they are getting in Google? What is the difference between select options and ranges? When we go for the ranges, that's the question.
Select option used for user inputs.
Correct. Correct. Perfect answer. Whereas ranges is programmatically, if you are building the similar to select options, so we go for the ranges. This is interview question. Ranges we go for when we need the similar functionality of select options but user will not enter the data as input. What we need to enter the similar input conditions data. Example, range single multiple values excluding the values. We go for ranges. This is the concept. Can I clear? Hello? Very, very good concept, this one. Okay, other question, right? If I execute, okay, I'm giving 10 to 100. I'm not giving 0, 0, 0, 0, 10, but still is working. How? If I give 10 to 100, here I give 10 to 100, but in the ranges, S underscore Mattner, I give 10 to 100, but it has taken automatically 0, 0, 0. How? Based on what concept?
We define the data element to the variable.
Correct. Data element. But what that in the data element, what is the feature responsible to add this leading zeros?
Domain.
Perfect. Domain. In the domain, what feature?
In domain,
Data
what
length.
In the domain, what feature is responsible to add this
we
leading zeros?
already maintain domain in system. We maintain the character or any. Uh,
No,
yeah.
just by maintaining the domain, it will not come that zeros, right? Just by defining
Format.
that domain,
We maintain the
no,
format, data
no,
type.
no, no, no. There is answer in my skin.
There are
There is answer in my skin now. Question is, which concept is responsible to add that leading zeros automatically? When I give 10, it has added the leading zeros automatically. How? So all you said,
output length also.
Output length.
no, output length is
No,
40, not output. Answer, you are there already in the answer.
number of characters was 40.
You are there already on the skin of answer, which is the one responsible to add the leading zeros when it is comparing.
Value line also.
After output length, what is available?
Not here.
14.
After output length, below output length, what is available?
Protein.
Protein. This is responsible for to convert the leading zeros. This is a function model. This is responsible. This will convert into your variable into respectable leading zeros, or to remove the leading zeros when you are displaying. This is one important point. Note down if your interview point of view.
So that we mentioned while
Yes.
creating it's already mentioned. The
No, this
domain
one
name.
is taking the property. Because of this
Routine is a
property, it is coming.
functional model.
No, this is functional
MAT
model.
in one. Okay.
It's a functional model.
Oh,
This will convert into internal and external material
that
ranges.
was an okay.
Nonsense. Maybe we can do also this one. I'm just get the one option now here. You can think of here maybe. See here. It's clear, right? Why, how it has become the 10 zeros? Because of the conversion exit. That is one more concept of why we need a domain scenario. This is scenario domain. Why we need a domain? Without domain, you can't. That 10 will not convert. Yes. I think here we can make it v underscore Matner equal to 10. Let's see. See character, right? We'll make it here 10. This one just already I'm doing. And this one, I'll give here. I'll put the comment here. I'll give here 10. Okay. And R underscore Matner high equal to. Next v underscore Matner equal to, I give 100. Now I'll use the variable to assign here instead of hard coding. V underscore Matner. Right now, check it. Let's check it. Quick syntax. Right now, check it. Let's put the breakpoint here. Execute. This anyway we can give same range. Now here, no, it won't give. V underscore type Mara hyphen mat. Right? It will not work. Why think of that will work when you are taking only input and output cases only, not inside the program to that variable when you are assigning the values. Even then, this your v underscore matner, okay, v underscore matner is 100. It won't convert into 00000 100. Okay, so it will convert when you print. I think when you print, let's print it. V underscore matner, for example, you give this one. Okay. Now if I print a material number, while statement, material number value, V underscore material. Think of what we should print. V underscore matner. See here. What is happening here? It is converting when you are displaying. It is removing the leading zeros. Hello? It works. The concept here is this conversion exit concept is it works for the input and output conversion only. Means while you are entering the data into that field, say suppose you are giving 10. So automatically it'll add the leading zeros for that when it goes to the program from the input screen. At the same time, when displaying the output, it display without leading zeros. Again, the conversion exit alpha output will execute here. If you see here at the domain level, material number, data element, domain, here. Here. This one will execute for two cases. Okay. One is input and one is output. Means once you take the input user from the user, it adds the leading zeros. While it is displaying this output range, where you are displaying the output, that time remove the leading zeros. That's the concept. Any questions here? Why this line number 29 I am doing appending? Why we are doing? What is R underscore Magner here?
Range.
Range. Right? Range. What is that range? Is internet table or work area?
Okay, yeah.
Hmm?
Work area.
Work area, right? Work area or internet table? R underscore Magner. Work area, right? Because we are assigning as a low and high. What is R underscore Magner? Sorry. Sorry. What is the line number 15?
Structure.
Structure or internet table? See here, by here seeing this you can understood. Is internet table or work area? Hmm? Internal table, right? Because see here, append, we are using append, this will become internal table only. This is the work area. Type line of, why the type line of we are using is, this is, since we are referring to table type, ty underscore range, right? Ty range is the table type. Going to table type, ty underscore range. We are giving line of. Okay, na? Clear? This can we move on? Next, interactive. Think of what could be the meaning of interactive report. Interactive report. Think of what could be interactive generally. Any reports or anything generally. What is the interactive? Hmm?
User.
I'm in class. Online
User can modify or something.
I'm in class. I'm in the online class. I'm in the class. I'm in class. So I will ping you. So you can ping me first, then we can talk. Maybe after 10:30 because till 10 I have the class. Online class. No. Yes. Hey, don't mind me what things. Then I will also think. Think of in general, suppose you are booking a bus ticket. Can you hear me, right? You can hear me, right? KSRTC.
Yes, sir. The user interaction.
User interaction, basically. Suppose you book a bus from here. Select statement. Say suppose from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Whose date? Say suppose tomorrow. What happens if I click on search buses? It gives the report, right? All the buses available.
Sir.
All the buses. Now if I click on this one, what will do? Select berth.
It will show the available seats.
This is interactive, right? This is interactive.
Yes.
You are interacting here. This type of things, if you want to build, you go for the interactive reports, normal interactive reports here. Let's see how we will build it. Go back. Interactive. Say suppose today's date is. Click on create. Interactive reports. Type executable. So first I write a very simple one. Write statement. You can write. This is basic list. If you click here, it goes to secondary list. Like this you can write. Then you can write index numbers. S5 LSIND. It's the basic list. If you click here, it goes to secondary list. It is the basic list, and list number is, I will give here S5 LSIND. If you click here, it goes to secondary list. Okay, na? Now, if secondary list, what you can write is, you can write outline selection. Selection. If SYFN LSIND is equal to 1, where statement, it is secondary list number SYFN LSIND. And else, where statement, it is second list number, secondary list. Else, write statement, this secondary list number is SYFN LSIND. Check syntax. Activate. This is the event. This is the secondary event that will trigger when we double click on the list output. Okay, check syntax, activate. If you execute this one, if you want, you can give hotspot on also here. You can give hotspot. Hotspot, why is not coming hotspot? I paste the F1 condition to get the documentation. Okay. Let's see. No, activate. Execute. Okay. Suppose the hand symbol will come here. Okay. If I click here, it goes second list, next one, next, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 20, what will happen? This is the interview question. After 20, how many, what will happen? After I click this one, it goes to dump. This is the interview question. So that means we can generate how many list? One basic list and 20 second list. We can generate. What is the basic list index number? Index number, basic index number. If I execute, if I execute this one, what the basic list index number? This is interview question. Basic list
0, sir.
0. Basic list index number is 0. S5 LSND. So what is the advantage? Think of what is the advantage of the second list by going to secondary list. What could be the advantage? Hmm?
The user can itself, they'll modify the data also. Without
No. We are only displaying the data. What is the advantage of this many lists? What is the advantage of interactive, first of all? advantage.
Detailed information.
Hmm?
Detailed information.
Detailed information you can give in the next level like that. So that at the same level you cannot give everything. That's the business thinking, right? So like that, 20 levels you can go for detail, click something more details, again click something like that. In the real-time projects, maybe not more than 2 or 3. Generally, I'm telling. But it has given 20 levels you can go. Okay. Now, so quickly I'll do one more row on material numbers. Click on create. Materials data. Interactive report. Type executable program. Right here. Suppose you can write here parameters. Okay. P underscore Matner. Type Mara hyphen M18. Okay. Start of function. Select star from Mara into table it underscore Mara, where MATNR equal to P underscore MATNR. Okay. This is from first list. So I should declare one internal table. Data it underscore Mara, type table of Mara. So I'll want print this one, loop at it underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara. Rest statement work area underscore Mara hyphen MATNR. 50 position work area underscore Mara hyphen MTRT material type. Maybe material group also you can use 60 position work area underscore Mara hyphen MATKL and loop. So we need to declare the work area also here. Right. Now this will print the basic list. Now if you want to bring the like outline selection, okay, select star from MARC into table it underscore MARC, where MATNR equal to work area underscore Mara hyphen MATNR. If sy sub r is equal to 0, loop at it underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara. Okay. MARC, right? This is MARC. Okay. And maybe 50 position work area underscore MARC hyphen plant. This two will enough. End loop. And if. So you need to declare work area. Go to here, work area underscore MARC, type MARC. Internal table it underscore MARC, type table of MARC. Save it. Right? If sy sub rc equal to 0. Spelling. Right? Spelling. Right? Now if you print this one, So I'll give instead of parameters, I'll give select options here. S underscore matter type Mara, give select options. Data v underscore maintainer type Mara maintainer. Type v underscore not typo for v underscore maintainer. I would go in operator because it is a it's not select option, is s underscore maintainer. Think of what this first statement will do. First statement will do.
Yes, material number.
S underscore material number is selected options range. Suppose if I go 10 to 20, like how like last example we have done. It will print that one. Suppose 10 because it prints. Outline selection, you are matching that record. Whatever the material number is clicked, for that material number you are getting from MARC table. Now, execute. I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Select 10 to 50 range only. Material number 10 to 50. Check it how many records are there. But SY sub R equal to 0. How many records? Same. 41 records are there. Okay. Now if I click on material number 35, if I click on 35, 13 is coming. Why? When I click on 50, 13 is coming. When I click on 28, also coming 13 only. Why? Why the value which?
We not clear the work area.
Work area I can clear. Where you want to clear, I can clear. Huh? But if you clear that work area, this will be empty, right?
This will be empty, right?
So what I should do? Okay, how to get that is different, but why only last one is coming every time? Why not any middle one, right? If I execute, wherever I click, this is not coming. What could be the reason? It's also one more question. Oh, range I have not given. I'll go 10 to 20 only. Okay, 10 to 20, I'm giving 13. If I click on 10, 10 should come from a second table, MARC table. Why 13 is coming? Question clear, right? So when I click, it should come click the material number only, but not the last. It is coming only last. Okay, now I'll make it what the value is clicked, that value should come. I'll make it that. What I do is there is statement hide. If I go here, hide, it will select the material number what you clicked only. Now let's see. Execute. give this range 10 to 20. You can save it so that you don't enter every time. Test one, save it, execute. I have to click now 10. 10 is not coming, 12 not coming, 11 not coming, 14 not coming, 14 is coming. Because 14 is available. We go to MARC table, MARC table, contents, go to material number 14. 14 is available. I think 10 is not available in the second table. That's why 10 is not coming. That's why. Hide means you hide that value. You are hiding as a what the value you clicked. Okay, my question is why it was coming earlier without hide only last record, not any other record. If I put the hide comment, why it is coming picking only the last record value, not the in between. Think of why only last record. I'll give this code copy. Try. I will take a small break and join. 9:15 exactly. 9:15 join back. Okay, I'll give this code copy in the chat window.